أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم In the name Lahir of Allah, Rahmanir, the most gracious, Rahim, the most merciful. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim is a haruf muqatti'at. Nobody knows the meaning of haruf muqatti'at except only Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala know the meaning of them. Zalikal, that kitabu is the book, la not, raiba doubt, fihi in it, hudal guidance, lil muttaqeen, for the God conscious. Allazina, those who yu'minuna believe, bil ghaibi, in the unseen, wa yuqimuna, and establish salat prayer, wa mimma, and out of what razaqnahum, we have provided them, yunfiqun, they spend. Wallazina, and those who yu'minuna believe, bima, in that unzila is sent down, ilayka, to you, wama, and what unzila was sent down, min qablik, before you, wabil akhirati, and in the hereafter, they yuqinun, firmly believe. Ulaika, those, ala, our own, hudam, guidance, mir, from Rabbihim, their Lord, wa ulaika, and those, humul, they, muflihun, are the successful ones. Innal, indeed, lazina, those who kafaru, disbelieved, sawa'un, it is same, alayhim, to them, anzartahum, whether you warned them, or lam, not, tunzirhum, you warned them, la, not, yu'minun, they believe. Khatam Allahu, Allah has set a seal, ala, on qulubihim, their hearts, wa ala, and on sam'ihim, their hearings, wa ala, and on absarihim, their vision, Wishawatum, is a veil, walahum, and for them, azabun, is a punishment, azim, great. Waminan, and of nasi, the people, may, are some who yaqulu, say, amanna, we believed, billahi, in Allah, wa bil yawmil, and in the day, akhiri, the last. Wama, but not whom they, bimu'minin, are believers at all. Yukhadi'un Allah, they ask to deceive Allah. Wallazina, and those who amanu, believed. Wama, and not yakhda'una, they deceive, illa, except anfusahum, themselves. Wama, and not yashurun, they realize it. Fi qulubihim, fi, in qulubihim, their hearts, marazun, is a disease. Fazadahumullahu, so Allah increased them, maraza, in disease. Walahum, and for them, azabun, is a punishment, alimum, painful, bima, because, kanu, they used to, yakzimun, they lie. Waiza, and when, qila, it is said, lahum, to them, la, do not, tufsidu, spread corruption, fill in, arzi, the earth. Qalu, they say, innama only nahnu we muslihun are reformers. Allah, beware, innahum, indeed they, humul themselves, al-mufsidun, are the ones who spread corruption. Walakin, and but, la not, yashurun, they realize it. Waiza, and when Kila it is said, lahum to them, aminu, believe, kama as amanan believed, nasu, the people. Qalu they say, anu'minu, should we believe, kama as amanas believed, sufaha, the fools. Allah, be aware, innahum certainly they, humus themselves, sufaha'u, are the fools, walakin, and but, la not, ya'lamun, they know. Wa'iza, and when, laqul they meet, lazina those who, amanu believe, qalu they say, amanna, we believe, Waiza, but when Khalau, they are alone, ila which shayatinihim, their evil ones, Qalu, they say, inna indeed we, ma'akum, are with you, innama only, nahnu we, mustahzi'un, are mockers. Allahu Allah, yastahzi'u, mocks bihim at them, وَيَمُدُّهُمْ and prolongs them fi in طُغْيَانِهِمْ their transgression. يَعْمَهُونَ they wander blindly. أُولَٰئِكَ those whose الَّذِينَ shah the one who arouse ضَلَالَةَ the estraying بِالْهُدَى for the guidance فَمَا so not رَبِحَتْ profited تِجَارَتُهُمْ their commerce وَمَا and not كَانُوا were they مُهْتَدِينَ guided ones مَثَلَهُمْ their examples كَمَثَلِ is like the example lazis of the one who Tawqada kindled naran fire falamma then when azaghat it lighted ma hawlahu his surroundings zahaballahu Allah took away binurihim their light wa tarakahum and left them fi in zulumatil darkness La yubsirun so they do not see Summun deaf Bukmun dumb Umyun blind Fahum so they La yarjiun they will not return Aw or Qasaybim like a rainstorm Minas from Amai sky in it are zulumatum the darknesses wara'adum and thunder wabardun and lightning yaj'aluna they put asabi'ahum their fingers fi in azanihim their ears minas from sawaiki the thunder collapses Hazar in fear from al-maut the death. Wallahu and Allah muhitum is the one who encompasses bil kafirin the disbelievers. Yakadul almost al-barqu the lightning yakhtafu snatches away absarahum their sight. Kullama whenever azaa it flashes lahum for them, mashaw they walk fihi in it, vaiza and when aslama it darkens alayhim on them, come they stand stiff, walau and if sha'Allahu Allah had willed, lazahaba He would certainly have taken away bisam'ihim their hearings, wa absarihim and their sight. Inna indeed Allah Allah is on kulli every shay'in thing qadir all powerful. Ya ayyuhan nas u'budu, O mankind, worship Rabbakumul your Lord, Lazi khalaqakum created you, Wallazina and those who min qablikum before you, La'allakum so that you may tattaqun become righteous. Allazi the one who ja'ala made lakumul for you al-arza the earth firashan a resting place, was-samaa and the sky bina'an a canopy, wa anzala and sent down minas samai from sky ma'an water, wa akhraja then brought forth bihi therewith minas from samarati fruits, rizqan as provision lakum for you, fala so do not taj'alu set up lillahi for Allah andadam rivals, wa antum ta'lamun you know, wa in and if kuntum you are fi in raibim doubt ilma about what nazzalna we have revealed ala to abdina our slave, fatu then produce bisuratim a chapter mim of mislihi like it, wad'u and call shuhada'akum your witnesses min dunillahi other than Allah, in if kuntum you are sadiqeen truthful. Fa'il but if lam not tafalu you do, walan and never tafalu will you do, fattakun then fear nar al fire lati whose waquduhan its fuel annasu is the men, wal hijaratu and the stones, uiddat prepared lil kafirin for the disbelievers, wabashiril and give good news lazina those who amanu believe, wa amilu and do as-salihati the righteous deeds, anna that lahum for them jannatin will be gardens, tajri flow min them tahtihal under them anharu the rivers, kullama every time ruziku they are provided minha therefrom min of samaratir fruit rizqan as a provision, qalu they will say hazal this is lazi the one which Ruzqna, we were provided min qablu before.
وأتوا به
And they will be given mutashabiha, things in resemblance. Walahum, and for them, fiha, therein,
أزواج
spouses,
مطهرة
purified. Wahum, and they, fiha, therein, khalidun, will abide forever. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, la yastahi, is not ashamed, an yazriba, to set forth,
مثلا
an example, ma, like even ba'uzatan of a mosquito,
فما
and even something fawqaha above it.
فأما
Then as for
الذين those who
amanu, believed, fayalamuna, thus they will know
أنه
that it
الحق
is the truth
من from
Rabbihim, their Lord.
وأما
And as for
الذين those who
kafaru, disbelieved, fayakuluna, thus they will say, Maza, what arad Allahu, did Allah intend, bihaza, by this mathala example, yuzillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by it, kathiran many, wayahdi, and he guides, bihi, by it, kathira, many, wama, and not, yuzillu, he lets go astray, bihi, by it,
إلا الأكسبت فاسقين
the deviantly disobedient. Allazina, those who yanquzuna, break ahd Allahi, the covenant of Allah,
من بعد
after mithaqihi, ratification, wayaqta'una, and they cut ma, what amar Allahu, Allah has ordered, bihi, it, ayyusala, to be joined, wayufsiduna, and they spread corruption, fil arzi, in the earth, ulaika, those
هم الخاسرون
are the losers. Kaifa, how takfuruna, can you disbelieve, billahi, in Allah, wa kuntum, while you were
أمواتا dead
ahyakum, then he gave you life, summa, then yumitukum, he will cause you dead, summa, then yuhyikum, he will give you a life, summa, then ilayhi, to him, turja'un, you will be returned.
هو he الذي is the one who
khalaqa, created, lakum, for you, ma, what fil arzi, is in the earth, jami'an, all,
summa smodava tawa
he turned ila samai, to the heaven, fasawwahunna, and fashioned them, sab'a, 7
samawat
heavens, wahuwa, and he, bikulli, of every shay'in, thing, alim, it all knowing. Sadaqallahul Azim. My next lecture in Surah Al-Baqarah also, I start from the same place where I leave this lecture. Our next lecture is from Ruku 3 to Ruku 6 of Surah Al-Baqarah. and Para Juz number 1. Hope to meet you soon in my that lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If anybody want to learn the Quran translation in English and Urdu, word by word, then please contact me on my WhatsApp number 00923165062162. Please like and subscribe my channel.